In this video, I'm gonna show you how to get ramp car in GTA 5. So as you can see, this is the ramp car, and it basically ramps cars over and it flips them over. You can drive under vehicles like this, and it's a very cool car. Like you are indestructible, and you can flip over any car. As you can see, cars are basically being flipped over if you just drive under them. And let me just show you here. As you can see, so let's show you how to download this mod, and let's start. So first, open Google Chrome, and type in this, and go to the one that says 2.0 and download it. Then type down this, go to this website and download this one. Now go to downloads folder. Let me delete these ones, so we have two folders installed here. Go to GTA 5 folder, go here and here, and copy these three. And paste. And then here, copy these two and paste. And now go to manage and turn on launch options and write -no battle I. So to get the ramp car, press F8. Choose vehicle options, vehicle spawner, choose off-road, and here you want to choose ramp buggy, and press F8 to close the menu. And this is basically your flip car. This car is basically capable of flipping anything. Like, there's nothing that's unflippable for this car. As you can see, I'm basically flipping everything in my sight here, and it looks very epic here as you flip cars over. So if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more videos like this, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.